all these died in faith without receiving the promises. But having seen and welcomed them from a distance, and having confessed that they were strangers and exiles on the earth. For those who say such things make it clear that they are seeking a country of their own. And indeed, if they had been thinking of that country which they left, they would have had opportunity to return. But as it is, they desire a better country. That is, a heavenly one. Therefore, God is not ashamed to be called their God, for he has prepared a city for them. The same city he's prepared for them, he's prepared for you who believe.
Right.
Keep that thought in mind, because that's the reward for communion, fellowship, loyalty, perseverance, stick-to-itiveness with God. In other words, it's the reward for faith. And God's going to give out that reward at his return.
Yes.
He's going to give out the reward to all the people of faith throughout history. Only two types of people that's ever existed: those that are of faith and those that are of unbelief.
Right.
That's it.